we've got a beautiful Trailmaster here to show off today. It is a 2025 Trailmaster, and it's the 279 BH floor plan. This is a single slide-out 32-footer tandem axle travel trailer, and it has some really nice features to show off on the inside and outside. I'll start off on the front and then we'll work our way around the trailer. Looking here, you've got a nice pass-through storage area. It is extremely wide, same size on either side, and you've got lots of room to pack in all the gear you need to. Sometimes you got trailers with smaller doors on one side, or you've got weird angles. This is a straight shot, full storage, full width of the trailer. It's a really nice feature, and they also have that separated from the indoor storage. Often you'll have underneath the master bedroom, it'll connect to this storage area. This is fully separate, so it's going to keep your sandy, dirty, gritty, muddy gear outside your trailer, which is fantastic to have that segregation. Walking around the front, you will notice we've got a nice power tongue jack. There are 4 manual stabilizers around the unit, and you got 2 20-pound propane tanks that are covered as well. This is the other side to your pass-through storage area. You've got tons of windows on this unit. They're nice, dark, and tinted, which not only looks good, but keeps the air regulated on the inside of the unit. Fantastic on those really hot days, going to keep that cold air trapped in, and vice versa on the cold days. This is your single slide-out unit. You'll see on the inside what is actually sliding out. And walking to the rear here, you will see this is your power supply, your waste water holding tank, sewer outlet connection, and your sewage holding tank. Walking around the rear, you've got a spare tire on the back here. Those are extra 2 stabilizers. It is set up for a backup camera, but not one installed yet, but it's easy to get one set up if you wanted one on this 32-footer. And you have your auxiliary shower on the rear here as well. One of the most notable things about this particular floor plan is this outdoor kitchen. First of all, they've got this door up on gas pistons, and it keeps it nice and level. So if it is raining a little bit and you are that try-hard outdoor cooker, you can still be out here in inclement weather. Stepping in underneath it, I'll get some shade from the sun. And this is where you're going to have some nice features. You've got this nice, tall electric fridge back here. You've got a fully plumbed sink here as well. You've got a 110-volt receptacle with a GFCI. You've got your lighting back here as well, and a nice convenient spice rack with thick lip ledges on them to keep all of your belongings there during travel. To top it all off, you have a Flame King cooktop there as well, easily slides in and out. That's definitely going to be a notable feature of this trailer. You've got a full powered LED lit awning out here as well, so that's going to come out, give you plenty more coverage to add to your additional coverage from your outdoor kitchen. And let's step on into the inside and see what else there is to see. First thing you'll notice, these 2025s are nice, light, bright, and airy. Not only do the windows let in a lot of light, but you have these LED pucks. They are pretty close to the ceiling here, so you're not losing a lot of headroom or anything. They're almost recessed lighting of sorts. You've got nice LED bright white lights that cast a lot of light, and they're super energy efficient as well. If you've got plenty of people to sleep and entertain with, you've got plenty of options here. You've got a nice wide kitchen here, obviously, but right across from that, you've got your lounge couch there. That's going to pull out and convert to an extra sleeping area, as well as your dinette. That dinette's going to convert to a sleeping area. You've just duplicated some spots of their usefulness. You've got regular entertainment, and they also can be a place for people to sleep. Going on this side here, you've got the master bedroom here in the front. Got a nice full bed here. You've got your LED puck lighting up there as well. And either side, you're going to get this storage here, as well as access to a 110-volt receptacle and a 5-volt USB plug-in. So if you have a CPAP machine, noise machine, phone to charge, everything is easy done. And it's the same on either side, so there's no arguments on who gets the better side of the bed. They put access to both sides of the bed through these separate doors to give you a little bit more foot room. Now this bed can go all the way down to this wall, where you can mount a TV for entertainment if you need it. Looking at the kitchen, we obviously have a beautiful outdoor kitchen, but you have a great indoor kitchen here as well. All the cooking options you really need. You've got your outdoor little stove top. You've got your traditional microwave inside. You comes with a 3-burner stove top. That's going to be propane, obviously, and you've got your oven there as well. A nice 50-50 split deep sink here. You've got your high-rise faucet with the hose attachment. It's a great trio: 50-50 sink, high-rise faucet, and the hose attachment. Looking at the fridge, you've got a nice gas electric fridge freezer combo. Plenty of room. This is a great trailer if you're a person who likes to cook. You got a nice big fridge and plenty of different ways to cook up all that food with ample storage. You've got above head storage here, and you've got your standard drawers and cupboards down below. If you are entertaining, this is where you can put another TV if you'd like, and you have access to everything you need to plug it in to have all the wires hidden. We do have ducted air for this entire unit. And let's walk over here. You've got a nice storage cabinet on this side here. A great use of space. This side you don't need to have open up because of the slide out, but you can still store everything you need to up behind there, so it's not wasted space by any means. A 32-foot trailer, you can really fit everything you need. You've got a kitchen inside and out. You've got a washroom here as well as all the beds you have to sleep, people. Got a nice shower here with built-in inserts, which is a nice touch. You don't have to get aftermarket stuff. Nice medicine cabinet, towel rack, and a sink and toilet down there. Stepping inside to the rear, even more room. This is going to be access to your, not access, but where your outdoor kitchen is. So you only get one bunk on this side, but you still have plenty of room. Every single bunk too, they've thought ahead. You get your 5-volt USB receptacle, as well as lights and a window, which is fantastic. This side you're going to get double bunk set up. Same thing, you've got your 5-volt USB, 5-volt USB, and another window. Not a massive closet, but a little goes a long way while you're traveling. You've got a great wardrobe here to hang up clothes so you're not living out of a suitcase, and maybe store some extra belongings, toys, blankets, shoes, anything you need to. Why not toss in a walk-in closet? If you are looking for a brand new 32-foot trailer and you plan to entertain lots of guests both inside and out, this new travel trailer could be yours. If you want to see it in person, come on down to Long Haul Trailers in Listowel.